Hi guys, it's Jen. I'm back. Took a little vacation, but I'm back. Tonight I have homemade pho for you. I made it myself. I'm attempting to see how it tastes. So let's get started. Let's see. I have beef and shrimp pho with, oh my god, I'm drawing a blank on these. They're right there too. That's him. Bean sprouts. Yeah, bean sprouts. I'll tell you a story about bean sprouts. Bean sprouts, I have onion, I have a white onion, I have green onion, I have cilantro, I have the noodles, I have sriracha, and I forgot to add a little here, and I tried it dipping here. That's hoisin, and this is sriracha. And I forgot a dipping bowl, so I'll move this aside so I can have something to dip in. A dip. So what I use to make the pho is this little cubes, just to see how it tastes. Cause I don't want to make it all the way. Yeah, let's get started. Whoa, let's mix this up. I think I need more broth. We'll see. It looks too chunky. I think I'm gonna have to get some more broth. I'll be right back for some more broth. Alright, sorry about that. I'm back. I spilled it, as you can see. I just stopped and restarted my video. Now I have pho broth everywhere. So let's see. Get this fail train started, huh? Let me taste it. Tastes really good. I left some extra noodles in mine, can you tell? You'll never know next time. I'll lay off for the noodles, right? I won't tell you. Oh, I need some of this in there. So, the story is about that. So, I dropped my husband off at the airport. And I was like, well, I want pho. And so, I was like, I don't want to buy it. I don't want to spend money on buying it. Plus, I had to get home. So, I went to the Asian market right quick. And got the little cubes to make it. Because, I know in my dinky town, they ain't got everything. But I know they do. But it's all about just finding it, you know. That's better. Let's dip some of this meat. So, let me take it back. It's been really snowing here. A lot. And yeah, it's starting to snow. But we had a lot of snow. Look at a shrimp tail coming in. Nice and hot. So we've had snow. Tons of snow. So my husband had to take a business trip. So I took him to the airport. Stopped by our Asian market. To get the pho noodles, the rice noodles. And the bouillon. I had to get more hoisin. So we got more hoisin as well. And so was gonna get all my veggies there and stuff like that. They were out of bean sprouts, and their cilantro didn't look too well. So I was like, well, being is that I have to go to another store, I might as well just go to Walmart, because that was the closest grocery store. So I needed to get the meat there. So went to Walmart. No bean sprouts. So I got bean sprouts and cilantro there. So I go to Albertsons, you know, because it's on the way home. And I'm like, okay, I'll get some bean sprouts there. Don't have any. And this one on Pez. Just gotta get home. So, oh, that was delicious. So, oh, open. So then I stop at Safeway. So they have the last pack of bean sprouts. So I get bean sprouts. Then I decide, oh, well, I'm gonna get lunch for us while we're there. So I just got their deli, whatever, chow mein and stuff like that. So I get home and I'm like, yeah, we're gonna have fun. And I'm thinking to myself, shit, I forgot the lime. And you cannot have pho without lime. This isn't turning into pho, it's turning into a vermicelli bowl because I'm all out of sauce. So I'm gonna have to go get some more sauce. So I go to the store today and get some limes, and here we are. We're gonna have our vermicelli today. It's pretty good. It's not like, ooh, the best pho, you know. I'm gonna go get some broth. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got more broth. Now it looks like a soup, right? Made my extra noodles. I probably won't even finish it all. But now I need some more of this. I need a little more of this and a little more of that. It's really delicious. So yeah, we've been snowed in. So I went yesterday to get the limes. Tried to at least go and get the limes, but by the time I went out, the snow was like slush, and so he would get stuck in it. So yeah, lucky me. Getting stuck in the snow is not good, because I'm just adding more onion and stuff to it, because you can't do this at a restaurant. You have to pay extra for it. And you guys know me, I love my onion. So here I don't have to pay for extra because I cut it. See? Oh, it's really good. So I tried to go yesterday to get the lime, but I couldn't get out of our cul-de-sac from the snow. Excuse my nose. I couldn't get out of our cul-de-sac, so yeah, I tried so hard. I was like trying, and I was like so mad and so frustrated. I was like, I really want pho too. Because while the husband's away, I could eat anything I want. because he's the picky one and not me. I should have said Happy New Year's, huh? I'm sorry, guys. Happy New Year's. I need one of those spoons that Asian restaurants have. Next time I'll look at mine and see if they have one. Or the Asian market. Oh, this is so good, and it's hitting the spot. I love hoisin. As you can tell, I keep putting it in. The only thing I didn't add is the basil, which I could take off my tree, my plants right there. But I totally forgot basil and jalapenos. I'm taking a break from jalapenos right now, so some jalapenos. So please forgive me if I don't have any. Nope, it's dripping. It's dripping everywhere. Oh man. First time I had pho, I lived in California, Long Beach, off of PCH, I think. I think Cherry and PCH. Fell in love with it. I think I had it with my brother as well. Fell in love with it. I used to have it for lunch when I was working. Get it? When I was working. Shall I say when I was younger? Then I moved to Austin. And I have a really good place there in Austin. But I like, there in Austin you can find a pho place just about on every corner. Just about. Those are really good. It's really good for homemade by me. And with that, I'm just really hungry. So, we've gotten a lot of snow here. It's just ridiculous. Let us know. My husband has to travel. I know he doesn't like traveling, but he does it. Who likes to travel? Wait, I do, because there's food at the end of their travel. A little shrimp. I'm just all over the place today. I made it to 500 subscribers. Thank you guys very, very much. help me hit 1,000 and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. This is really yummy. I'm really hungry for it as well. These damn bean sprouts, I tell ya. Three different stores and then I forget the one. Can't have pho without this, right? Oh, I almost dropped that again. No bookies. I'm just kidding. That's really good. As I was putting my son to sleep, I was like, well, and what do I need to do for the pho? I need to cut the veg, cut the meat. I told myself, oh, I can make popsicle sauce and try it with that. Because one of you guys asked me to, and I was like, no, too lazy. I just want to eat it. One day I promise I will do it. One day. Getting full. I have a plate over here with fixings, so I can add as I want. So, lime, white onion, green onion, and my dipping. Oh, I have some lunch for that too. I thought about making some spring rolls too. I was like, nah, I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy tonight. My kid, those boys of mine, they just exhaust you. I was playing with Jude on the couch and just being so lovey and lovey, and then he comes and bites my chin. I'm like, what are you doing? And he said, eat you, Mom. I'm hungry. Eat you. My kid, you just ate. You had a bean and cheese burrito. What else do you need? One of my sons is refusing to eat. I'm like, oh, okay, let me know when you're hungry. I'm pretty full. I ate all the meat out of here. There's a piece. It's a little bitty piece. If you go to my Instagram, you can see pictures of the pho before I started. Alright, I can't eat anymore. Ooh. That is it. I am good. Okay, guys. If you watched it all the way to the end, give this a thumbs up for me, would you? Comment down below. Like I said, help me get to 1,000, and I'm gonna be giving away a gift. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna be giving away a gift. Maybe I'll wrap it with that stuff over there. That's still Christmas stuff I need to put away. Oh, excuse me. So, I'll be giving away a gift for sure, so. Just gotta hit that 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.